Cross-check the manifest for the stainless steel shipment.
Manifest checked and verified, all components accounted for.
Successful routing of materials for structural and systems integration confirmed.
Every piece undergoes final inspection, moving systematically through the complex. The manifest confirms allocation for shaping A and sterilization B.
As part of Process A, the newly shaped titanium segments are indexed onto the conveyor. They then pass the laser system for dimensional verification.
Check the alignment on the lower panel, section 3.
Reading green, tolerance is confirmed. The robotics are calibrated.
Process B confirmed. You are clear for installation.
As the blast doors open, the manufacturing phase begins. These heavy titanium segments are now entering the structural welding bay.
Viscosity is stable. Check the starboard flow rate.
Confirmed. All parameters are nominal.
Check the trailing edge tolerance. Reading at 99.8% nominal. It's perfect.
Confirm structural integrity.
Alignment confirmed. The torque sequence looks nominal.
Noted. Module stability is satisfactory.
Testing the harness now. Reading steady. Good to seal.
Data integrity confirmed. 99.8% accuracy.
Roger that.
Proceed with QA stamp.
Ready to lift the lid? It's heavier than it looks. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's set it down over there.
Watch the cables on the left.
Okay, it's sliding in now. Level looks good.
Securing the latch.
The technicians connect the stainless steel output port to the main aircraft waste management plumbing lines, ensuring a perfect vacuum-tight.
Power bus connected.
Run the diagnostic.
Running system check. Voltage confirmed, stable at 28 volts.
Power sequence initiated.
Vacuum cycle complete. All parameters nominal.
System operational.
The system is cycling normally. We have a perfect seal on the polymer tanks.
Thermal isolation appears fully integrated.
Agreed. The checklist is complete.
All right, signing off on the installation certification now. Make sure the strap is secure around the base tubing.
Got it. Are we clear for the seats now?
The integrated module is essential for extended sorties.
Confirmed. Much better than the old system.
Confirming alignment.
Solid lock established. Transfer initiated.
Panel is open. Connect the hose.
Connected. Starting automated sequence.
Hangar, this is ground. Process B is green. You are clear for taxi.
Visual established, glide slope captured.
Roger, stable on approach.
Final RGL for Church and Road System, module concept, measure your readiness.